What's up, guys? How y'all doing this morning? This is my 2017 Lancer ES. Just doing a quick walk around, let you guys see what the new car is. I haven't posted a video in a while. I think it's probably been about 2-3 years. But yeah, shout out to 53 Supply. If y'all don't know, rock their brand, Yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the new car. I love it, man. I love it. It's amazing. Stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, and subscribe. And get this channel on the road. Thank y'all.